Bay Area windstorm may intensify quickly. What to expect and how to prepare. A powerful low-pressure system is set to sweep south to north along Northern California's shoreline Tuesday night, bringing a surge of wind that could stretch from the Bay Area all the way to the Oregon border. Meteorologists caution that the storm might qualify as a bomb cyclone, though the precise strength remains uncertain in short-range models. The most critical window spans from 7 p.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Wednesday, when the strongest gusts are likely. The National Weather Service has already placed a high wind warning on the coast, effective from 4 p.m. Tuesday to 4 a.m. Wednesday, covering Big Sur, Monterey, the Peninsula, Marin, Sonoma, and Point Reyes. In these zones, gusts could climb to 75 mph. A broader high wind watch extends across the rest of the region, with expected gusts up to 60 mph. Officials warn that the combination of fierce winds and saturated soils could trigger widespread power outages, hazardous travel conditions, and numerous downed trees. Forecast uncertainty hinges on two main factors: the storm's central pressure and its exact track. Some computer models suggest the pressure could near historical December lows, producing sustained southerly gusts of 60 mph in San Francisco and exceeding 80 mph in Mendocino, Humboldt, and Del Norte counties. Other scenarios predict a more modest system, staying below bomb cyclone thresholds and limiting most gusts to under 50 mph. Warmer than normal Pacific waters may feed additional energy into the system, a factor many models are not fully capturing. The storm's origin somewhere between California and Hawaii means observational data are sparse, adding another layer of uncertainty. While the NOAA Atmospheric River Reconnaissance Program won't launch flights until January, the lack of real-time measurements makes precise forecasting difficult. If the low tracks close to the coast, the northernmost communities could experience the highest wind speeds, while an eastward deviation that brings the system inland would concentrate the strongest winds over the Bay Area itself. Regardless of its path, recent rain has left soils saturated, making trees especially vulnerable to snapping under pressure. In addition to the wind, forecasters expect moderate to heavy rain showers, occasional pea-size hail, and